In today's video, I will show you how to post on Reddit. We'll show how to post on your wall or any subreddit. Firstly, log into your Reddit account. Then on top right, click on Pilus sign, and you will be redirected to create post page. Now write title and text you want to post. Then in choose a community, select your username. And now you can press post to post it on your own page. To post on any subreddits, you need to join them first. So let's go to Reddit main page and find subreddit you want to post in. I see Europe subreddit. I will click on it, then I will join it, and now I will click on create post. Now everything like before, but you need to choose Europe and choose community drop down. In some subreddits, you will be able to post right away. In other, your post will be checked by moderators before it goes public. In others, you need to have enough karma points to post. You can get karma points by posting, commenting, and interacting with communities. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.